Rand McNally 5-inch truck GPS. Alright guys, so there is some things I like and don't like about this new version of the Rand McNally. You have to push start twice. I already pushed, start route, and then it calculates it. It takes like 30 seconds, which I'm surprised it takes so long for a new one, and then you got to push start again, and then it still takes a little while to load it. And a lot of these buttons aren't super intuitive. Like that one is to add a stop, and to just look if there's a truck stop on the route, you got to add a stop, which is counterintuitive, and then you look for travel centers or whatever. So it used to just say a long route or whatever, search for this or that, a long route. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. It's already freezing up. Well, that's odd. Yeah, I'm not a real big fan of this new one for some reason. It just, and it kind of flickers already for a brand new GPS. I am not impressed with this thing. But there's a couple things that I do like. Is there's a little progress bar down here that will tell you how far along the trip you are. That I like. And it still has the some of the things that I really like too is it'll tell you your elevation and all that mess, your total miles, sunset, sunrise, and all that. I really like that. You can adjust your ETA and all that kind of stuff. See, it took that long just to go back to the home screen here. But one thing that's kind of cool is you could just change it from north, looking up, 3D view. See, and now it finally loaded. That whole time, this has been almost 3 minutes, and it took that long to load the route. For new technology, I am not super impressed with this. But unlike the unboxing video, the screen is the same size. The whole thing is a little bit smaller than the last one. It looks smaller, but the screen is exactly 5 inches, the exact same size. I double checked it. So would I recommend the Rand McNally? Kinda. I'm still pretty happy with this one. I like the other one a little bit better. But I like how this one has a glass lens, or whatever you want to call it, face, instead of the other one, it got all scratched up and everything. So this one feels a lot smoother and everything. So, and you can push that button just to go back to recenter it after you moved it along. Oh, and this will also tell you little shops around the route too. So like if there's like a Home Depot here or a gas station, it'll tell you along the route as you're going along. That's kind of nice. You got hotels, blah blah blah. That's a nice touch right there. That's one thing that I do like about it. So I'm about 50-50 if I like it better than this one or the old one.